6 lectures A, B, C, D, E, F, each of 1 hour duration, are scheduled between 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. That means these are the lectures A, B, C, D, E and F. So each is of 1 hour duration. So that means A will finish at 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 and 2 if they are in this order. But the certain orders are given. So we'll see the question further. The question says which lecture is in third period, and these are the two inputs given. So we'll see. Lecture F is preceded by A and followed by C. So if this is lecture F, that means before lecture F there was lecture A, and after lecture F there was lecture C, and there is no lecture after lecture B. So that means lecture B is last. These are the inputs given. Now what is not given are inputs about lecture D and E. So there are options for D and E. Either D and E are together and they are at this place. If D and E are here, then A becomes the third lecture. This is one option. The second option is D and E are, let's say, they are here. So if D and E are here, then C is the third option. Then other possibility is D and E are separate. That means D is here, E is here. Then you will again get a different input. So with this, we can see that both the statements are not sufficient to answer the question that which lecture is in third period. So our answer is option D. Option D is the answer.